welcome to my channel. I am Chanel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this wig that I received from Love Me Hair, and it is their headband unit. It is a bob headband unit. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it is a bob unit. I am going to leave all of the information over this unit down in the description box, but it's pretty much just a unit. You know, you got the strap headband right here that comes with the Velcro in the back. Yep, so you got the Velcro there, and then you also have, it looks like you have a comb on either side, a comb in the middle, and then you have your comb in the back. It does not have adjustable straps in the back. This is what the inside of the cap look like. But like I said, it is a bob unit. It looks like I might have to put some heat on it, to be honest, but let's go ahead and see what it looks like on. So my hair is already slicked back. I had the edges already laid. Let's go ahead and see what this one looks like on. So automatically this does feel a little looser, so I will suggest that you put the combs in this unit. Make sure you put the combs down because it does feel looser. While I'm waiting for my flat iron to heat up, I'm just going to show you guys that they did send out some headbands to go with this unit. So we have this one, and I think I have received this tie-dyed headband before. Yeah, so 5 headbands give you like a pink, some nudes, a yellow, and a tie-dyed. I don't know what's going on with this little piece here. It's like constructed weird at the top. Okay, I think that's a little better. That's definitely a lot better, because at first it was flipping all over, going different direction. So that's definitely better. So I am getting a little bit of shedding from this unit, but not much. I did purchase like this bang from my local beauty supply store. I was thinking about actually putting it on and wearing it with this headband wig. I think that'd be cute to have like a little swoop bang, and it's just like a little clip-on bang, you know. What y'all think? It's giving me more like a, what, that 70s, 60s vibe. You know, we could have a little flip at the end. I don't know, that's kind of cute. Just a little bit cute. I don't know, I might do that one day. But yeah, that's cute. I feel like this will be a, you know, a cute little style to wear to work or something. What y'all think? Tell me down in the comments what y'all think. Should I do the bang? No bang? Probably no bang. But I do like the bang though. It gives it a different look, like a more like a 70s vibe. Like I said, you can do the little flip at the ends, and then, you know, have your little headband on. I think that would be cute. Let me see. What y'all think? Y'all feeling it or nah? Let me know down in the description box. I think it's kind of cute. You know what I'm saying? You know, just to get a little different look. And a lot of people are bringing back like those inspired like 90s, 70s looks. So this is cute. The wig is definitely giving me some shedding, as I mentioned. Let me put on one of these headbands and see what it look like with the bang. That's cute. I like that. And like I said, I purchased this this bang piece from my local beauty supply store. It was in one of those sets, like the bun and bang set, and I think it's from Moto. But yeah, it's just a little clip on, and it just gives you a different vibe with the wig. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's cute. And this wig keeps on wanting to flip. I feel like if I would have pre-washed it first, I think it would probably work out better, but I didn't. I wanted to show you how it looked directly out of the pack. This is definitely giving me mom vibes for sure. You got this wig on with this bang, they're gonna know for sure you a mommy. But anyway, I think it's still cute. Like I said, put it down in the comments what you think. Alright, so that's everything on this wig. So I'm going to leave all of the information down in the description box. Please make sure you check there for any of the information over this wig. The direct link, the length to the wig, everything is going to be located down below, as well as the link to the first wig that I showed at the beginning of the video. Make sure you check there, okay? If you want to leave me any comments or anything, make sure you put it down in the description box. And then if you have not liked this video already, what are you doing? Make sure you like the video, so hit that thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And make sure you turn on that bell notification so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. If you have been missing out on my videos, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. But anyway, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care, stay blessed, and see y'all later.